Hey guys, welcome to our channel. In this video, you will learn on how to add infant in Cebu Pacific booking. So the first thing that you are going to do here is you just have to open any of your web browser and then you just have to search for Cebu Pacific air.com. That's right. And then if you don't have an account yet, then you just have to sign up for one. But if you already have your account, then you just have to log in. So once you're here, of course, you just have to proceed here to the flight section. That's right. And then you just have to select the city where you're flying from. So for example, we are flying from Cagayan de Oro and then going to Japan. And then you just have to select your airport. That's right. And then after that, right here, you just have to select what type of trip do you want to book. We have round trip, one way, or multi city. So I'm just going to select round trip. And for your guest, you just have to add here the number of your guest for adults. So, say for example, you are traveling with your infant. So you just have to go here and then you just have to select your choice. So we have infant on lap or infant on seat. So for example, this one, so you just have to click on it. And then you just have to select your departure date and your return date. So for example, we are flying on the May 18 and we will be returning on May 28th. So you just have to select the date. That's right. And then make sure that you have here your infant or the number of the infant that you're flying with. And then you just have to tap on the search flights option and then you just have to select your flight, input the details of the passengers, and then you just have to select here the date of your flight. Okay, so for our return date, we're going to select this one, and I just have to select the bundle for the flight. So that's it for this video. If you think this video helped you solve your concern, please subscribe, like this video, and leave your comment below. Bye.